Oh boy, this is not the video I want to be making, but as you can tell from, well, you probably can't tell because it's dark, but my GPU being in a box, and my computer on the table, and this box right here, yeah, my GPU died, and the reason is my power supply killed it. Right now I'm running the 1050, and so I ordered a new GPU finally, after saving up again. Oh my gosh. And yeah, this is just, yeah, gonna be a little bit depressing, but whatever. Cool box though. I like the other one, but I think I like this one more. This is the Power Color Red Dragon RX 6800. If I can get it out of here. That is quite the box design. That's actually kind of fire. Let me just get this junk out of here. Low-key. Yeah, that's pretty good. I kind of want one. Like, really bad. Hold up. Is that the retail price? Dude, $1,200 for this is diabolical. This must have been during COVID. I mean, like, during the shortage. Dang, is this, like, unopened? Bro, this is freaking sealed, my guy. What the heck? Oh, you can't make this up. That is unopened. Hold on, let me see the other side then. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Okay, I was about to be like, there's no way. Okay. So, this is a GPU from the Great Depression. This guy definitely mined on it because his other listings were for like mining rigs and all that stuff. So, whatever. Honestly, not a big deal though. As long as it performs well and isn't like cooked. Jump scare. Sorry about that. Here we go. Let's just... Well, that was underwhelming. Ooh, dude. New thing for my wallet. Can't even see that. Installation guide. Yeah, I really need to know how to learn how to put a GPU in. How many times have I uninstalled and reinstalled my GPU when I was diagnosing? I don't even want to count. Okay, take that out. Boom. This is like cool, but also kind of depressing at the same time because I've done this before. But oh my gosh, this is okay, guys. This is gonna be cutting it close. My case supports 315 millimeters, and this is 310. So. I mean, technically it's supposed to fit, but I don't know if I buy that. That thing is huge. I thought my other card was huge. This thing is actually the biggest GPU I've ever seen in my entire life. But let's get it installed. I'm going to do a quick boot up test just to make sure it's actually working. And then I'm taking it right out because I don't want my GPU, I don't want my power supply to kill this one as well. So let's do that. Holy cow, guys. I don't know how I got this in here. Can you even see? Hold on, look at my flashlight, bro. This is dumb. That is how does this thing fit, bro? I literally had to like tilt it so much and it was hitting the cooler to be able to get it in, and I slid it in. I don't know how this thing even fit in there. Like, literally, look at that. It's practically touching the fans. That's just crazy. Anyways, this is the most beautiful GPU I've ever seen. It looks amazing. I'm just scared to turn it on because I don't want it to die. I just bought this, bro. $300. Another $300 on top of the $350 I already spent for that one. Ah! This is genuinely terrifying for me, and I don't really want to do this, but I know I kind of have to. Ah! This is so dumb. I swear if my power supply kills this GPU, I'm going to crash out. Like, actually, I'm going to crash out. Oh, well, Noob. Okay, that's actually kind of embarrassing. Let's get that actually plugged in. That might help a little bit. Take two. Please. If you kill my GPU, I'll kill you. Okay, it's doing the boot cycle thing. Let me. All right. Okay, it works. All right, now we're turning this off. We're turning this off. Oh my gosh. I just gotta pray that didn't kill it. That's literally the exact same thing I did last time that killed my RX 6800. I mean, this is an RX 6800 as well, but like, get this stupid power out of this power supply. Update, guys, I decided to sell my old Gigabyte RX 6800 on eBay. A little sad to see it go, but it's whatever. So this is the package here. I'm gonna go drop it off, and hopefully that'll give me enough money so I can actually buy a power supply. All right, we got the package in the back. We got me up front, and when my mom gets here, we can take off and go to the USPS to drop off this package. I'm really hoping that I'll be able to make enough money from this to be able to buy a power supply, because that would just be awesome. This is kind of unexpected. I don't expect this to sell so soon or even at all, so I'm very happy.